All right, guys, time for the Kiss Sandwich Showcase. And we want to thank the folks at Kiss for making it possible. Kiss presents two versions of their bread to us that we're going to be making some wonderful sandwiches with this season. The Kiss Healthy Balance Jumbo Whole Grain Buns, of course, and there is a new coconut bun as well. I have our fitness chef, Charlene Procope-Delph, to do not one, not two, but Charlene is doing 3 sandwiches.
Yes, Joel. It's not a lot of work.
It's not?
I decided to do a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner sandwich.
Oh.
Meaning, a lot of people saying that bread is bad for you. Okay, bread is not bad for you. No food is bad for you. It's too much of something is bad for you. So if you want to eat bread every day, then obviously by the time you're eating bread every day, it's too much. So that's why you start to add the pounds. But eating bread for lunch or breakfast or dinner doesn't do anything for you, especially with the type of ingredients you add to it. So I'm going to show everybody, as it's carnival season, that you can pick up a pack of Kiss Healthy bread and you can add certain ingredients to help the calories be less than, than adding something that's fattening like bacon or a lot of different ingredients that's going to add to the calories. So I decided, okay, we're going to be doing a breakfast sandwich, which is going to be with smoked salmon. We're going to add some cream cheese to it, and basically, Joel, that is it. I love all my bread toasted. I don't know why. I do like to.
But you like it heavily toasted?
Yeah, I like to, not burn.
Burnt
But
black.
I like to see the brown. You see my complexion, Joel?
Yeah, I like it a little brown as well, but...
I mean, you too light.
This is how I like my bread.
It's borderline a little raw. I like it a little brown. So we're gonna let me put on, this one is the mushroom and onion barbecue sandwich, which
Which are we doing first?
We're doing the lunch and the breakfast, meaning because the mushrooms and onion have to saute, I'm gonna put it on now and just leave it for a while. But we're gonna assemble the breakfast sandwich. We're gonna do it in order.
Yeah.
So for the breakfast sandwich, you're gonna have your toasted bread.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna add some cream cheese. Now you can buy any flavor cream cheese that you want. You can, I actually have the smoked salmon cream cheese.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add some to it. Then I'm gonna add piece of lettuce.
Right. You must get your greens in.
Yes. And the amount of greens I'm adding to each sandwiches, you're gonna love it, Joel.
Okay.
We're gonna add some cucumber.
You sure?
Yes, you're gonna love it. We're gonna add some tomato.
Right. So we're building sandwiches, guys, and Charlene is starting us off on a bun.
And then we're gonna add some smoked salmon.
So
now you don't need to cook the smoked salmon; it's cooked already.
Yeah,
it has a lot of flavor, so you don't need to add salt. You don't need to add black pepper. The cream cheese has flavor, and the smoked salmon has a nice touch of saltiness to it.
Yeah.
And Joel, basically, this is it for a breakfast sandwich.
Wow. So sandwich number 1.
Sandwich number 1. Not much work.
Number 1. Simple as that.
Now,
smoked salmon sandwich is Charlene's breakfast sandwich using Kiss Healthy Grain Jumbo Buns.
Sandwich number 2.
Sandwich number 2.
I have some. This is for lunch. So it's a little more heavier.
Right.
It has a lot of veggies, of course. It has the onion. We're gonna add some mushroom, and now we're gonna add some barbecue sauce.
So that's just onions,
garlic, and mushrooms alone.
Saute.
And I'm gonna add a touch of peppers.
Right. That's just sweet peppers, red peppers.
Yes, regular peppers. And I'm gonna add some cheese.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is lunchtime. You want
you want
a little something to,
Charlene, I like how you're rolling one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to make healthy nice too, a little touch of cheese not going to do you anything. No, it's
all
not.
in moderation.
All in moderation.
And if you're doing it with Kiss Healthy Green Jumbo Buns, then you're in business. Why, like how that's looking, Charlene?
Right, I'm going to add a touch of paprika. Why? Because I'm going to add a little spice, and I'm going to add a touch of salt, touch of black pepper. And basically, this is it.
Charlene, that looks good.
Now for mushroom assembling, we're going to add, let's add the mushroom first. Now, this is like a sloppy Joe, kind of messy burger, right? So this is a take on a sloppy Joe. You don't need the meat.
But just not using meat and using
mushrooms. You're not using meat. Nice. Actually, for you, we're going to add the lettuce. Why?
Just
because we know Joel like lettuce. Just because you like lettuce, we're adding lettuce.
I do like lettuce.
We're going to add a sloppy Joe mushroom.
So it looks good.
And we're going to add so much. Let me taste it. Then, for some crunch, we're going to add some purple cabbage. Now, Joel, we know this is a messy burger, so you can't eat this on work. You got to be home to eat it.
You're right.
And basically, this is it.
I like the color. I like the purple color with the cabbage. Oh, this looks good, Charlene. Sandwich
And
number
it
2.
is spicy because I added the paprika to it.
Our lunch sandwich. So
Now, sandwich number 3, we're going to do it a little lighter.
So this is dinner.
So it's dinner. You can eat a little sandwich for dinner. There's nothing wrong with it. But we're going to be using boiled eggs.
Okay.
So to our boiled eggs, get this bread. I'm going to add some celery. I'm going to add some sour cream. No mayo. You add enough. We're going to add the rest of the peppers.
So that's just boiled eggs.
That's just
and
boiled
you're seasoning
eggs.
up some boiled eggs here.
We're going to add some baby spinach because I know you like greens.
I find you know
Some
what I like.
salt. Some black pepper.
And everything I like happens to be green.
Yeah, everything is green. And basically, this is it. And we're just going to put more lettuce. Find it's too much greens.
You rocky greens. You rocky greens.
We're going to add our egg salad. With our baby spinach, this looks so good. I'll tell you which is my favorite sandwich after. Which one do you think is my favorite?
I think it's the smoked salmon.
Honestly, it's the boiled egg.
Is it boiled eggs?
Yeah, because I get in more protein with
Right,
it.
eggs is protein.
Yeah.
Eggs is
We're
protein.
going to add some tomato. We're going to add some cucumber. And this is my dinner. And Joel, basically this is it. Our egg salad sandwich.
So Charlene gave us 3 in 1. Breakfast, lunch,
And dinner.
and dinner. 3 sandwiches using, and inside the showcase, inside the Kiss Sandwich Showcase, a smoked salmon
Yes.
sandwich,
Barbecue mushroom.
barbecue mushroom
Or take
for
on a
lunch.
vegetarian sloppy joe.
Our take, Charlene's take on vegetarian sloppy joe. It's using mushrooms and onions and a nice barbecue mixture. And an egg salad.
Egg salad sandwich.
So you know which one I'm going for?
The barbecue mushroom. Because it's the most tasty.
No, I am sure all are tasty, Charlene. But it's just, you know, I like the note, the twist on the sloppy joe.
No problem.
This looks lovely.
See it falling out already.
Oh my God, it's really a
And I
sloppy
feel you
joe
take it
kind
because
of
it have
feel.
cheese. And now remember, I put cheese in it. Yes.
I was paying attention.
I know that.
I was paying attention. Every week,
Oh
we're going to
my
have
goodness.
one of our partners just drop by and do a wonderful little, come up with wonderful creations using Kiss sandwiches. And today, Charlene really gave us a bit of a bonus. 3 sandwiches in 1, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm having lunch here now. Smelling good, Charlene.
And it was super easy. Ingredients literally right in your grocery. Everything very easy. How's it?
I love mushrooms.
Yeah.
I love mushrooms. Thank you, folks at Kiss. Thank you, Charlene.
No problem.
We'll be back.
So I hope they listen and they, you know, it's carnival. You can still eat a little bread.